Hello, I'm Mrs. Jim. You're welcome to the classroom. Today we'll be learning place value of numbers. So what is place value of numbers? When you have a set of numbers, each of those numbers have their place value depending on their position in the given set. So place value of number means the value of each digit in a number. In understanding the place value of numbers, we need to understand this. This is the basics. Once you understand this, you'll be able to solve your place value of numbers. Here you see I wrote numbers 1 to 9. Numbers 1 to 9 are usually one digits. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 is 1. So from 1 to 9 is units. They are just ones. When you start counting from 10, it becomes two numbers, 1 and 0, 10, 1 and 1, 11, and you continue counting. They become two numbers. So when you have two numbers that is from 10 to 99, is called tens. So here where we have two numbers, 1 here becomes tens and the 0 becomes units. Look at this. Here we have three digits. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. So from 100 to 999, there are three digits. The place value of the first number when you have three digits becomes 100. The second number becomes tens. And the last one becomes units. Here you have four numbers. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. So from 1000 to 9999, it becomes 1000. When you have four figures, it becomes 1000. In this case, the first number becomes 1000. The second number becomes 100. The third becomes tens. And this last one becomes units. Here we have five digits. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So when you have five digits, it becomes tens of thousand. It's not just thousand where you have single unit thousand. It becomes tens of thousand. So in this case, this first number becomes tens of thousand. The next one becomes thousand. This one becomes 100. This place value will become tens, and the place value of the last one will become units. Here we have six numbers on this row. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So here we have six numbers. When you have six numbers, it becomes 100 of thousand. It becomes 100 of thousand. So the first number here becomes 100 of thousand. That's the place value. Then the place value of the second 9 becomes tens of thousand. The place value of this third 9 becomes thousand. The place value of this becomes 100. The place value of this is tens. And the place value of the last one is units. And here we have 7 digits. If you have 7 digits, it is a million. And so if it's a million, the first digit becomes million. The next becomes the hundreds of thousand. This becomes tens of thousand. The next becomes thousand. This becomes 100. This one would fall under the place value of tens, and the last one will be units. So if you understand these basics, you'll be able to solve your place value of numbers. You know what the place value of numbers is. So when you have one digit, it is units. When you have two digits like you have here, is tens. When you have three digits, is 100. When you have four digits, is thousand. When you have five digits, the first one becomes tens of thousand. when you have 6 digits, you have hundreds of thousands, and when you have 7 digits, you have a million. So if you're given a set of numbers like this one you see on the board, they are placed under units, tens, hundreds, thousand, 10,000, 100,000, and million. So let us sing the place value song. Unit, tens, hundred, thousand, 10,000, 100,000, million, 100,000, million. Unit, tens, hundred, thousand, 10,000, 100,000, million, 100,000, million. Unit, tens, hundred, thousand, 10,000, 100,000, million, 100,000, million. So with this song, let's use it to put a place value on this number. This number here is 24,367. So to put a place value on it with this song, you have to start from the last number and work it up this way. Remember, you start from the last number and work it up this way. So our song says unit, tens, hundred, thousand, 10,000. Can you see? That means the place value of 2 in this set of numbers is 10,000. The place value of 4 is 1,000. The place value of 3 is 100. The place value of 6 is tens. And the place value of 7 is units. Let's take our last example. So this is our next example. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. We have 7 digits here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. This is 1,234,567. If you're asked to write the place value of these numbers, or you're asked to write the place value of just one, you might be asked to write the place value of 2 in this number, or write the place value of 4 in the number, or you might be asked to write the place value of all the numbers. So like we did in the last example, you're going to start from this side and work it this way. Always remember that. Start from here and work it this way. So again, we start our song. Unit, tens, hundred, thousand, 10,000, 100,000, million. Can you see? That means the place value of 7 here is units. The place value of 6 here is tens. The place value of 5 is 100. The place value of 4 is 1,000. The place value of 3 here is tens of 1,000. And the place value of 2 here is 100 of 1,000. And the place value of 1 is million. So practice and you get better at it. See you in the next class.